How to set up paperless billing with Nationwide. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in nationwide.com and then search for it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Click on that. Once you're in the login page, provide your credentials and then log into your account, username and password. Once logged in, go to the billing or account settings. This section can typically be found in the main dashboard or under a menu labeled something like My Account or Policy Management. Look for a section labeled Paperless Settings or Go Paperless or Paperless Billing. Click on this option to begin the process of switching to paperless billing. Ensure that your email address is correct since Nationwide will send your billing notifications and document to this email. You may need to verify your email address if prompted. Read any terms related to paperless billing and agree to them. Confirm your choice to switch to paperless billing. Nationwide will typically confirm your switch to paperless billing via email. You will start receiving your billing statements and notice electronically from them. So this is how you can easily set up paperless billing with Nationwide. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.